guiding light, leading us to futures bright. From small steps to great success, through hard work we'll do our best. Every lesson, every day helps us find a better way. Jeivel Growth Academy, where vision meets opportunity, learning, growing hand in hand, building wealth across the land. Jeivel Growth Academy, creating hope for you and me, with wisdom, courage, and unity, we're shaping our destiny. Save and invest, learn and grow, planting seeds that wealth may show. Business skills and leadership, taking every growth-filled trip. Through innovation we will rise, reaching goals beyond the skies, sharing knowledge far and wide, with Jeivel standing by our side. Jeivel Growth Academy, where vision meets opportunity, learning, growing hand in hand, building wealth across the land. Jeivel Growth Academy, creating hope for you and me, with wisdom, courage, and unity, we're shaping our destiny. We're shaping our destiny. Financial freedom starts today, one smart choice along the way. Together we can reach the top, with learning that will never stop. Jeivel Growth Academy, a program of Jeivel Enterprises, leading proudly uncoming minds for prosperity, building a brighter Jeivel Growth Academy, knowledge, health, and integrity. Together we will always be a force for growth and victory. A force for growth and victory.